Ever wonder how to become the one they can't stop thinking about? The one whose absence creates a void so big it pulls them back like a magnet? Today, we're diving into the art of making them miss you and want you more than ever. And let me tell you, it's not about playing games or being manipulative. It's about becoming someone so extraordinary that your absence is deeply felt. 1. The power of self-sufficiency. Imagine being so complete in yourself that you become a magnet for others. The first step in making someone miss you is to develop a strong sense of self-sufficiency. This doesn't mean being emotionally distant. It means being so engaged in your own life, your passions, and your goals that you naturally exude confidence and independence. When you're not desperate for their attention, you become the prize they can't resist. Take a moment to reflect on this. When you're not around, they'll start to wonder what you're up to, what you're thinking, and how you're thriving on your own. This curiosity grows into a longing to be part of your vibrant, autonomous world. 2. Emotional mastery. Emotional mastery is about being the calm in the storm. It's about showing strength in moments of vulnerability and maintaining your composure even when things get tough. This isn't about being cold or distant. It's about being steady, reliable, and in control of your emotions. When you're consistent in your emotional responses, you create a sense of security that people crave. Think about it. When you're not reacting impulsively, you leave them with a sense of mystery. They start to wonder what's going on in your mind, what you're feeling. This intrigue makes them think about you more often and with deeper intensity. 3. Speak to captivate. Your words are powerful tools. Speak with intention and make every conversation count. Instead of just talking, communicate in a way that leaves them wanting more. This means being present, listening actively, and responding thoughtfully. When you speak with purpose, your words resonate and linger in their minds. Consider this. When your conversations are meaningful, they'll miss not just your presence, but the depth and engagement you bring to their life. They'll find themselves reflecting on your words, eager for the next conversation. 4. Create and embrace absence. Absence indeed makes the heart grow fonder, but only if you've laid the right groundwork. Create space in your interactions. Don't be overly available. This isn't about playing hard to get. It's about allowing space for anticipation and longing. When you're not always there, you become a scarcity, a rare and valuable presence. Imagine the anticipation that builds when they don't know when they'll see or hear from you next. This space not only gives you room to grow as individuals, but also enhances the time you spend together, making every moment more precious. 5. Live with purpose and be an inspiration. Living with purpose makes you irresistible. When you are passionate about your goals and pursuits, it shows. People are naturally drawn to those who have a clear sense of direction and are actively working toward their dreams. Your passion becomes a beacon that draws others in. Think about the magnetic pull of someone who is deeply committed to their goals. When you're not around, they'll miss the inspiration and energy you bring into their life. They'll long for your stories, your insights, and the way you make even mundane moments feel meaningful. 6. Keep a touch of mystery and leave them guessing. Maintain a touch of mystery. Don't reveal everything about yourself all at once. Allow them to discover you layer by layer. This isn't about being secretive or deceptive. It's about being intriguing and unpredictable in a way that keeps them engaged and curious. When you're an open book, there's no room for curiosity. But when you leave some pages unturned, they'll keep coming back, eager to read more. They'll find themselves thinking about you, wondering about the parts of your life and personality they have yet to uncover. 7. Be the rock they lean on. In times of adversity, your resilience becomes a pillar of strength that others admire. Demonstrating resilience means facing challenges with grace and confidence, showing that you can handle whatever life throws your way. This quality is not only attractive but also comforting. Imagine the respect and admiration you earn when you face hardships without falling apart. Your partner will miss the stability and strength you bring into their life, craving that sense of security and support when you're not around. 8. Be consistent, yet unpredictable. Consistency in character is crucial, but it's also important to inject a bit of spontaneity into the relationship. Be reliable and trustworthy, but don't be afraid to surprise them occasionally. This combination keeps the relationship exciting and dynamic, ensuring that they never quite know what to expect next. When you're consistently reliable, but also capable of surprising them, they'll miss both the stability and the excitement you bring into their life. They'll find themselves longing for both your dependable nature and the thrilling unpredictability you occasionally offer. 9. Make every interaction count. Finally, make every interaction meaningful. When you're together, be fully present. Engage with genuine interest and attention. Make them feel valued and appreciated. This kind of presence leaves a lasting impression, making your absence even more noticeable. Think about how powerful it is when someone truly listens to you, when they make you feel seen and heard. That's the kind of presence you want to bring to your interactions. When you're not around, they'll miss not just your company, but the way you make them feel. Now, embrace these principles and watch as you transform into the person they can't stop thinking about. And remember, in the end, it's not about them missing you. It's about becoming someone worth missing. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights.